Cube Highways was formed in 2015 by I Squared Capital and the International Finance Corporation with an objective to acquire long-term concessions in the highway and transportation infrastructure sectors. Cube Highways owns and operates over 1,000 lane kilometers of highways in India with an in-house team of over 100 professionals.
Investment thesis of Cube Highways in India is to acquire controlling stakes in road projects.
Highway sector is one of the main sectors in the Indian infrastructure space, and today close to $25 billion of concessions have been awarded.
Cube has a huge amount of data to start the evaluation process. Cube employs some of the technologies which are used for the first time in Indian road sector. For technical investigations, to assess visually the condition of the road, we use a network survey vehicle technology. We use falling weight deflectometer, which provides the structural condition of the pavement.
Today, Cube Highways owns 74 to 100% stake in 3 operating toll roads in India. One road, which is JMTPL, is a 110 kilometer operating toll road. Given the traffic parameters on this road and the kind of upside that we saw on this road, we went ahead and also acquired a contiguous stretch to this trail road called Majal, which is another 57 kilometer road. We also have a third road, which is one of the few operating toll roads in the National Capital Region of Delhi.
Jaipur Mahua and Mahua Bharatpur, the 2 concessions that we have, these projects connect Jaipur and Agra. Not only we get benefited by the growth of traffic between Jaipur and Agra, as this corridor gets improved, it becomes a shorter path for a lot of traffic coming from Gujarat to north central and northeastern parts of the country.
We are trying to internalize our routine maintenance activities so that we can optimize our costs, achieve better quality and performance.
BOT contractor has to do a good job of maintaining the highway, and we can categorize the maintenance in 2 ways. One is the preventive maintenance and the other one is reactive maintenance. By preventive maintenance we mean that the existing road, if we provide some sort of an application on the existing road, we can extend the function of that road for some more time.
Our strategy on maintenance revolves around the parameters: be proactive, predict what is going to happen on the road, prevent those expected or basically predicted failures. At a toll plaza, there are leakages related to system, there are leakages related to run-throughs and exemptions. This data center, we get all the information from toll plazas real time. At this data center, what we can see is the toll transactions on a real-time basis. Cameras that we have capture what is happening inside a toll booth, what is happening outside in a toll lane, and what is happening globally in the toll plaza itself. These are state-of-the-art cameras which can record audio as well as video. Not only we can see real-time what is happening in the toll plaza, if we want to, we can also go back into the time and validate transactions.
We identify environmental issues as well as social issues. On the basis of identified gaps, then we frame up mitigation plans. And we involve local community in project process. We noticed that some of the students in the schools, even they don't have access to computer. So we initiated and we set up a computer training center. We carried out an extensive safety audit and there we identified some hot spot areas where actually more accidents were happening. We took suggestions from this safety consultant and we are implementing safety measures given by this audit. We carried out noise monitoring and we got noise labels and we are putting up a vegetative noise barrier.
So the idea is to basically bring in the desired change in the stakeholder behavior.
A lot of people are looking to deleverage their balance sheets. There's a lot of EPC opportunities which are coming in the sector.
Biggest challenges that we faced when we've acquired projects is that they come with a very poor credit rating history. During the process of acquisition, we sit down with our lenders and with the credit rating agencies. We've drawn up an action plan to mitigate these risks. We've also been able to demonstrate tangible operational improvements in our projects that we've acquired, be it reduction of operating costs or improvement in metrics related to traffic. And all these put together has helped us migrate our ratings from BB+ to AA-.
Our strategy is basically to identify projects which will be suitable for large number of OD pairs, identify projects which do not have a competing alternatives in terms of other roads, and also identify projects which do not face competition tomorrow from other modes, say for example railways.